Hi everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use a union operator to create a dataset. The union combines the results of two or more datasets into a single dataset that includes all the rows that belong to all the datasets in the union. In this operation, we are going to use the OpnBI graphical interface without writing a SQL query or a script to combine two datasets and display all the values from both datasets and create a union dataset. Here are the prerequisites to create a dataset using union operator. Access to OpnBI application. Access to dataset section along with create and edit privileges. Dataset section is found under the master data module. Access to source datasets from which you would like to create a union dataset. For this video, we are going to use the customers dataset which is connected with the MySQL database, and the global customers dataset which is connected with the CSV file as a data source. If you want to learn how to create a dataset using CSV or MySQL database as a source, watch our video on how to create a dataset in OpnBI. To create a dataset using the union operator, go to the menu and click on Dataset under the Master Data module. If you are unable to see the Master Data module or Dataset section, contact your OpnBI administrator. Whilst in the Dataset section, select the Create Dataset button from the footer menu. This will open up a Create Dataset dialog box. Give a name to the dataset. In the data source, select the union from the drop-down list. Once you select the union, you will get the option to select the dataset. Select the customer's dataset from the dataset drop-down list. Once the dataset is selected, you will get the list of all the columns available in the customer's dataset. Select the columns you want to use for the union dataset. The list of selected datasets and columns can be seen on the right pane. Once you are finished selecting the columns from the first dataset, click on the Select New Dataset button or use the Dataset drop-down to select the second dataset. I am going to use the Global Customers dataset and select the columns I want to use. If you notice, we can see two datasets and selected columns in the right pane. There is no limit on the number of datasets you can use with the union operator. Once you are finished selecting the datasets and columns, go to the Output columns to view all the columns from selected datasets. Click on the Preview to view the data. If you are happy with the results, click on the Submit button to finish creating the dataset. You can go back to General and make changes to the columns or dataset if required. The newly created dataset is available under the Dataset section. You can use the search option to view the dataset. You can now use the dataset to create a dashboard and analysis. Watch our other videos to see how you can create a dashboard. We have many videos on how to use some of the advanced features like client script and hierarchy, so please watch these learning videos as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have found this video to be informative. If you have a specific question on the joins or dataset or any other topics, please feel free to add in a comment box or write to us at support@opnbi.com.